Cubiio X, a portable CNC robot with huge workspace. Light and flexible. Set it up anywhere. Compatible with a variety of routers. Perfect for big projects. Make a lovely dollhouse for your little sweetheart. Bring laughter and joy to family every day. Cubiio X can cut metal. Make a unique signboard for your business. Light up your venue with the value you create. Cubiio X is also a laser engraver. Switch easily and quickly between a router and a laser module. Choose a file from the SD card, and you can customize your item right away. Make something special for your loved one. Take your creativity anywhere. Cubiio X turns ideas into reality. Make your own design, fine-tuned to the exact position, and quickly start mass-producing your product. You can even engrave a tag for your beloved pet. Make an ordinary day extraordinary. Cubiio X.